guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. Yes, I am back today. Please, for the new subscribers, please, you can subscribe, click the subscribe button and subscribe, turn on your notification bell to always be the first to get notified whenever I make a new post. Like, share, comment, and for the old subscribers, you are welcome. So today I decided to film this while making this lovely, beautiful boho braids or goddess braid. I don't really know the difference between boho braid and goddess, but there are some they'll tell you boho braid it has like four you have to add like 4 to 5 of the deep waves, while goddess braid you leave less, like you can just put 2. I really don't know the difference because I see a lot of persons calling it boho, calling it goddess. So let's call it boho and goddess braid. So that's how most times I normally put it. So today I say let me just show you guys how it's being done. It's very easy, very easy, just like you doing your normal braid. While braiding, you braid to an extent, you add your deep wave. You can actually use a long deep wave or a short deep wave. For this particular wig I use 16 inches deep wave, so you can make yours a long deep wave, 16, 18, 20 inches, 22 inches, depending on how you want it. I actually ordered for 18 inches deep wave, but you know these online vendors sometimes they'll just give you something else. So it was when they delivered the wig to me, the rider gave me the wig. After checking it, I discovered that the woman sent 16 inches. I was so mad. I had to call her to like, why did you send me 16 inches? I ordered for 18 inches, and she apologized and told me she does not have 18 inches, but because I wanted to use it for deep wave, so she thought of okay, 16 inches will be better, will also be nice, not like it will be better. So I was so mad, I quarreled with him. Yeah, she apologized. As the professional braider that I am, I decided to use it like that. And yeah, this is the outcome of our beautiful goddess braid, or of our beautiful boho braids. Yeah, you can check it out. You can follow me on Instagram at tg_wigs, on Facebook Trinity O Grace. Yeah, you can follow me on TikTok too. I'm everywhere, TG Wigs. You see me. Check out our beautiful boho braids. Check. Yeah, I know you love it.
Direction, give me a sense, give me a sense, give me a sense of forward motion. We need to keep on going, we need to keep on going, we need to be forward
So please like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye bye.